Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am starting a much needed balcony makeover journey. Over the time, this balcony has become a storage space for all my DIY supplies, unused items, pots and plants. Every time I thought of creating a new DIY project, I kept collecting materials and before I knew it, the entire balcony had turned into a cluttered corner. In this episode, you will see the current messy condition of my balcony, new plant shopping and repotting, my plans of decluttering and organizing the space. And this is the first step towards creating a simple and functional balcony. First, I'll start by decluttering this area. Over time, I have collected so many things here that I almost forgot what all I had stored. As I clear everything out, it's like discovering hidden treasures and giving this space a fresh new start. Some useful items will be kept aside for a DIY project, while the unused and unnecessary things will be discarded. Now it's time to remove the metal stand from here. It has served many purposes over the years, for being a bookshelf to a shoe rack and storage organizer. Since I am redesigning this space, I'll move it out. After clearing everything out, I'll thoroughly clean the area and give it a fresh look by changing the position of my plant stand. Since I have only one balcony, I also use this space for drying clothes. It has been a practical and multi-purpose area that helps me make the most of the available space. As I told earlier, it's very difficult for me to maintain the plants, so I visited a nursery and brought two beautiful low maintenance plants, that is China doll and ZZ plant. And of course, I am not going to keep these plants in my balcony. I'll be discarding the empty pots and keeping only a few of my favorite plants. Some of the plants will be shifted to our apartment garden where they will have more space to grow. This will help reduce clutter while still keeping the area fresh, green and beautiful. Once the repotting is done, I'll start cleaning the balcony windows. Honestly, this is one of the most difficult and time consuming tasks because the windows have accumulated a lot of dust and dirt over time. But clean windows can make a huge difference to the overall look of the balcony. So I am putting the effort to clean them before moving on to the makeover. Since my balcony faces west, it receives plenty of direct sunlight and heavy rainfall throughout the year. Because of this, the glass panel often develops stubborn water stains and marks. Cleaning inside is easy, but removing the stain from the outside of the glass is quite challenging. This is just the beginning of the transformation. The real makeover is coming in the next episode where I'll reveal how I arranged everything and give this neglected balcony a fresh new look. If you enjoy home decoration, DIY project or makeover videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. There is still plenty to do and I can't wait to show you the next stage of this makeover journey. See you in the next video.